Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix stuck at spinning circle during restart or shutdown in Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user. Click and expand control panel. Right-click desktop, new string value. Type hung up timeout, H, A and T are capital letters. Change value data to 2000. Don't set this value below 2000 milliseconds. Close and exit registry editor. Restart your computer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.